We talk about 7 key areas at Learning Tree at the moment, and we've got cybersecurity on there, we've got project management, interpersonal skills and behaviour, software development, digital transformation, of course, and agile transformation, and that's not an exhaustive list. But what we're talking about here in terms of capability is a mix of consultancy capability and learning capability. And I don't believe you can achieve that transformation without the combination of the two. And I think most organisations go to one provider for consultancy and potentially another provider for learning. And actually what we have is that capability under one roof to achieve that consistency and that support all the way through that transformation. The second thing I talked about was blended learning. And what we're positioning here is our ecosystem of learning, if you like, which is that kind of umbrella where you capture, all of the facets of learning. And typically that's digital content, micro-learning. There's typically an element of social learning or helping organisations create that culture of social learning within the organisation. And that's things like skills assessments, and we talked about that a lot this evening. And it's having that potentially at the start of that journey, and having an option to take your learners through some kind of benchmarking before they embark on this journey. So essentially what we're saying is creating learner journeys for your workforce that is multifaceted. And still involve the classroom learning, and maybe that's a virtual classroom platform. But it's all of this under that one roof, and it's a tool that will integrate with the typically with your LMS, that will play a part in bringing your LMS to life and making that more dynamic. And we can have more conversations about that as we go.